Okay guys, so here I put the tape, set up the tape inside this dash already, and put these clips also that come with it. And now it's time to go to the car and remove the factory stereo after sort these cables. After that I'll go to the factory stereo, remove its component and put it here, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so everything has been set up. As you can see, I already installed it. I did not put it back yet. I was just checking before I put back everything. Oh, this is the external mic that's attached to it, and I will just move it to the side. And this is the factory radio that I just remove it, and all of its component I already remove it and put it on the new one. So everything works fine. Let me show you the audio quality. Hopefully I will not get copyright for this. Okay, I think it's probably not working because I did not connect the antenna yet, because I don't have the antenna wire, which is gonna be coming soon. I ordered already the woofers for this car, amplifier and woofer that I'm going to attach with this. So with that, they have a kit coming with that subwoofer and an amplifier, and they have that radio output. So that I'm gonna probably, if they did not send with that, I will buy the radio antenna so that the radio could work. I think that's why radio is not working, because there is no antenna connected with that. So let me see. Aux, BT, Pandora. No, Pandora is also not working. Okay, let me just show you the audio quality just via Bluetooth, which I already connected. So as you can see, the voice quality it has been boosted a lot, because with the factory radio the bass was not that much, but now there is a lot of bass even without woofer, and just with the factory speaker the voice is a lot now. So hope you guys like the video. So let me tell you one thing, that this thing has been missing. If anybody knows where this wire is supposed to go in the factory in the aftermarket radio, let me know, because I don't know where this is supposed to go. I did not see in the video as well. So let me know if you guys know about it. So I remove this AC vents and the AC vent control from here and put it in the aftermarket radio. That's all I did. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit like button and subscribe button if you like this video, and more videos coming soon, because I'm gonna install the amplifier in this car by myself, so I will show you that as well. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching.